Blazer orange, take 2.
Somebody had the idea to try the orange blazer orange masking tape on a piece of glass and do half of it with the tape and half without, just to get a better idea of the results, and I loved it. So I'm just gonna put a generic shape or design on here and half mask it and run it again and see how it turns out.
The first thing I'm going to do is set up a simple file in Lightburn. I'm not just going to have a solid shape, I'm also going to have text so that I can test out the readability. Next, I'm going to slice off a little bit of the tape and remove the clear film over top. It was suggested to me to really stretch it out a little bit and apply it tight against the glass, so I'm going to use a scraper to do that this time. Next, I'll take it over to the laser and use Lightburn's center finder to find the exact center of my glass circle. I've tested settings before with glass, and the one that works best for me, especially while using text, is a speed of 325 with a maximum high power of 30, low of 25. I also crank up the lines per inch to around 500 or 550.
Turn off the air. And this is what I got. The orange blazer, my gosh, blazer orange is over on this side. I'm gonna peel it off. Wow. It's beautiful. Look at that difference. So this is just regular glass with my laser. I have a C02 laser that just, whew, and it's so smooth. This side is smooth as well, but it's a little bit more opaque. Actually the letters feel a little bit rough. This side is so smooth. So you can definitely see the difference here. 100% would use the blazer orange masking. This side is a little bit more rigid, especially around the letters. I don't feel comfortable putting my fingers around it. This side is nice and smooth, and I love it. So I think I'm sold. As you can see, it is laser friendly, and while this was a test, I am still learning too. And if you think that this tutorial has been helpful for you, make sure that you follow along for more tip talks and head on over to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful that I get to work with you guys every day.